Hey all, today the Lazy Cook is going to prepare some very delicious chocolate brownie. A brownie is basically a rich chocolate cake that contains nuts, walnuts, cashew, almond, anything like that. In the end, I'll share some very useful tips to make a perfect brownie. So, let's first check out the ingredients required for the recipe. I have taken dark chocolate and I am going to chop it into fine pieces. The reason for doing so is to melt it quickly. After this, I will keep this in microwave for 1 minute. I could have kept this bar directly in microwave also, but it won't melt. Even if I increase the timing, then it will burn the chocolate completely. You need to apply little force to chop it completely. Now I am picking this to microwave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we have to use hand beater to melt it and mix it with butter kept in room temperature. It will take little time and you really need to show your power. Now it has almost melted and let's wait till it gets to room temperature. In another bowl, I have taken some powdered sugar. You can take granulated sugar also and add egg one by one. Now we are sieving all dry ingredients together like cocoa powder and all purpose flour. Now it is properly mixed and I am going to pour already prepared chocolate butter mix. It's time to add few cashews. You can add any nuts of your choice. I think I forgot to add vanilla essence. It's a key ingredient, otherwise you may get smell of egg while eating. Take a cake mold and apply butter paper or parchment paper and grease it with some oil or butter. The purpose of doing so is to remove brownie easily from the mold. Pour batter into cake mold and it's time to bake it into microwave. Tap little so that there is no air bubble inside the batter. We can use toothpick or knife to level the batter. Add few cashews on the top just for the decoration. I have already set the temperature, that is preheat at 180 degrees Celsius. It is very important to understand that all microwave have different timing. Mine takes almost 40 minutes to bake. Yours may take 30 to 35 minutes. So we can take mean value of 35 minutes. I don't know why always maths come in between. However, I try not to use it. After 40 minutes, let's check it. Use toothpick and if it comes out clean, then it's done.